Hello everyone. Welcome to the another sessions. So in these questions, it is given that number of ways of arranging 8 identical books into 4 identical cells, where any number of cells may remain empty is equal to. Okay. So first of all, we will solve this using common sense. Okay. So here I will put the books on shelves in decreasing order to avoid any case to get repeated. Obviously, arranging books at places will not create any distribution. So books and shelves both are identical. So for first case, let us suppose if 3 shelves are empty. If 3 shelves are empty, then there is only one way. To arrange it. This will be arranged 8, 0, 0 and 0. Okay. And for second case, if 2 shelves are empty, then the possible way of distributing are if 2 shelves are empty. Then the possible ways of distribution will be 7, 1, 0, 0, 6, 2, 0, 0, 5, 3, 0, 0 and 4, 4, 0, 0. For third case, if exactly one shelf is empty, so if one shelves are empty, then the possible cases will be 6, 1, 1, 0, 5, 2, 1, 0, 4, 3, 1, 0 and 4, 3, 2, 0. Sorry, 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 0 and 3, 3, 2, 0. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cases. So hence 5 ways of distributing are possible for this case. So for fourth case, if no shelves is empty, then possible cases will be 5, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 1 and 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1 and the 2, 2, 2, 2. So total possible cases will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the option 4 will be the correct answer.